The Investigator also acts as the central gateway from which you begin transactions as well as editing and creating new data entries. Let's talk about these buttons down here, the Perform Transaction, Edit Submission, and New Submission buttons. The Perform Transaction button first. As I said, transactions are begun from this screen. To do that, we need to select a group of items to transact upon. Let's go ahead and do that. There are three ways that we select items to transact upon. Let's do a search on case number 1234. As you can see here, the Perform Transaction button has been enabled. And as you can see, it says case number 1234. What this means is that if we click the button, we will begin a transaction with all items associated with case number 1234. In this case, all the items in this submission and this submission. If we selected this, submission number 06000012, you can see this change down here, and when we click this button, it would select only the items located in that specific submission number. That's the second way. The third way is if we go into the ACE number, or the submission number, and we select a specific item, you can see here the text change once again, and if we click this button to start a transaction, it will perform a transaction with only the one item selected. The submissions work in a similar manner. Okay? When I've selected the case, the edit submission number is disabled. But when I select a particular submission number, you can see the submission number that I've selected be highlighted on the button, as well as the button becoming enabled. If I click this, the button will change to show me what submission I'm editing. Keep in mind that if I expand it, and I click this and I expand it, this will remain the same because we're still in the same submission number. But if I change here, it will change down there. The new submission button is always enabled. You can go to the data entry screen and perform a new submission at any time. Only when you need to edit a submission do you need to select something from this list up here.